Consider the following statement about the platforms for multilateral cooperation. The first statement: the Colombo process is a regional consultative process in which member states take binding decisions. I repeat, binding decisions by consensus. Statement 2: the Abu Dhabi Dialogue is a voluntary, non binding, consultative process among Asian countries for labor origin and destination to facilitate regional cooperation on contractual labor mobility. Statement 3: the Global Forum for Migration and Development, created upon the proposal of a former UN Secretary General, is a voluntary forum whose decisions are non binding in nature. These are the three statements, and we need to identify the correct statements. See, one of the reasons why UPSC 2026 paper was difficult is one factor is the length of the questions. There were many lengthy questions as well as factual questions, which made the question paper more difficult. But however, in our current affair magazine, Care India magazine, we had covered about Colombo process. But see, the current affair, this is not a recent current affair, but this was 2024 current affair. This has been covered in a magazine, that is July 2024 edition, page number 79. Here we have clearly mentioned that this process is a non-binding and a decision making is by concession. The statement, if you have read the statement, you could have easily eliminated statement 1. So by that, option A and option B would be eliminated. We would be left with option C and D. So in both the options, you have statement 2, which is correct, and the third statement we need to consider. See, many of the multilateral platforms will be non-binding in nature. There are very few which are binding in nature. So taking that into consideration, we can say that option 3 is also correct.